Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com, making this small video as a weekly recap. So let's get started. This week was the Christmas week, and obviously one of the slowest in the year. And it's going to be slow like this until the new year, right? So first week in January, we're going to pick up a little bit again. So not too many trades, but yes, there were some trades. So and then even next week there's gonna be some trades, but the moves will be very like chaotic and out of nowhere and very dangerous. So need to be very careful. So let's see how I did last week and what is there for the next week. So you can see here. Let me see if I okay. This is a USD yen from 7-minute chart on the 23rd, right? A couple of days before the Christmas week started, and this was the entry from 7-minute chart. I wasn't there to move the SL at that time. My SL was still there, and then when it went there, and then I saw it, that I was out for a few days. So this is how we close this one, and let me see. This is USDN the next day on the not the next day after that was the only one before the Christmas, and this is on the 26th, right? The day after the Christmas, and the first one was you saw this. This was the one. Then it retraced 20-minute setup made, and then again it went up for 26 for 80 pip, right? This is how the USD yen, Euro yen also went from here, although it's for 7-minute. Then this is also, definitely 20-minute entry, but 7-minute, I held it all the way to this on the 26th, 70 pip. On the 26th pound yen as well, it went up for 60 pip only, but it will go up even more coming week. I'll show you. On the 27 Euro Aussie and 90 pip, the entry is here from the 7-minute chart. And this is pound Aussie 20 on the 27th, 155 pip. And let me see, this is gold on the 27th, short entry here taken by the E, and all the way down for 130 pip. And this is pound yen, like I said, that it went up, and then again from here, 20-minute chart, 110 pip to the upside to 98.62 level. Price move level by level very nicely. If you can catch it, it is very, very easy. So this is how this is this week went. Very few trades, but yes, like I said, that this is the slowest week of the year, and it still came out very decent. Of course, my SL, maybe 7-8 times my SL hit, but my SL is not more than 25 pip at all, and most of the time it hit at break even. For example, here what happened is that if I move, for example, I didn't move, but see this one here, if it goes there, I come and sit on a break even, the price comes and hit, and then again the entry, it takes the entry. That's what happened. But since I wasn't there, so this was the entry, like this was the entry, right? And these entries held nicely. So I didn't move, but usually what happened, I moved the SL, and my SL get hit on most of the time I break even. So very few losses. And insignificant, so I just don't show it, right? You can see it. For example, like I said, that here, see, if the price goes there, if I move my SL here, what will happen here? It will knock out, right? That's how it is. If I close with profit here, that's fine. That's the second entry. That's what exactly happened. But if I hold this one, and then the price will come in, hit my SL at break even. That's how it is. All right, so this is it for now. Next week, we have a couple of very, very decent setups. The reason that all yen pairs are going is because of this yen index. It is bouncing. It was bouncing from here, from 23% line, according to this diagram here, 61, 23, and it goes to 78. So 61, then it came down to 23. I predicted that move, and I said there's going to bounce from here and go to 78. So we are halfway there. As long as we keep going towards this, then it will be a good finish at 78%. And by doing so, if it continue going towards D, then what will happen? All yen pair will also keep going to the upside. USD yen, Euro yen, Aussie yen, pound yen, all yen pair, right? And after that, the choice either is going to drop, either is going to go continue to the upside, but 90% of the time we get the reaction. So we're going to get the reaction, and then Either we're going to go down or it will be a failed Gürtel and we continue to go to the upside. So when that comes, the time comes, I'll make the new charts. But for now, the target is 78% and all the unpaired to the upside. Similarly, making some new charts. For example, this is a nice Gürtel pattern, and the calculation is exactly there. It's not Gürtel, it's a bad pattern, right? 50%, 23, and 88. So you can see that's the 50%, 23, and 88 exactly touched, and we got stopped there. So good chance that we're going to drop. So if this level hold, and if I find my short entry from 20-minute chart or 7-minute chart, short entry here, I will take it and ride all the way down. The first target is this TL, the second is this low, the third is this low, and then it's supposed to be going down all the way below this usually. But let's see what happens, right? For that, we need Aussie strength, but right now we don't have it. So maybe from here to here, small trade, and then it will go up again. Who knows, right? So it's either like this. It may drop a little bit, or either from here, it may go down all the way, or it may just bounce. So if I short, either I will cash out here, or I'll move my asset to break even, and then if it start to go up, close the trade, and then go long. And if not, continue to the downside, I'll hold, right? For the day or for the daily range at least. That's how it is. So if you want to learn all these mumbo jumbo, harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, SNL level, how to, make these charts, Renko charts, and how to make the entries, and just like the trades that I'm taking from these Renko charts entries, right? So this was the entry, this was the entry, this was the entry, this was the entry, this was the entry. These are the entries, right? Very, very nice candlestick formation here. No noise, right? So these anchor candles cut out the noise and give you precise entries. So this is how it is, right? So look at that. This was the entry. This was the entry. This was the entry. This was the entry, right? So any of these entries you can take it and then write. All right. So this is it for now. Like I said, if you like what you saw and then want to be a part of it, want to learn, then go to my website, creativetrading.com, and I take it from there. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful vacation time and New Year.